Hey, it's Joel, and welcome back to the Joel Homie Show vlog series, Summer to Remember. This is day 5, and much like yesterday, unfortunately today there isn't any time for any video editing magic, so I'm going to go ahead and get dressed and then go eat some breakfast, because I have to help my grandfather pick up the trailer once again, because much like yesterday, today we are leaving to another location. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and get dressed, and let's go have some breakfast. Today begins with orange juice, oatmeal, and cream cheese and toast. Right then, with the trailer packed up, it's time to head out to Idaho Falls. Right, so at this point, if you were to look at a map, we are in the very top of Utah, and there is a little rest stop that we've just stopped at here. I'm going to see if I can go buy any snacks, because at the moment I'm quite hungry. Either way, I'm going to go ahead and go see if I can find anything, and then we'll get back on the road. Time for an on-the-road turkey sandwich. Right then, so we've just arrived in Snake River RV Park, and much like Hurricane, this is actually a location we have stayed before. But I'm walking to the trailer right now. I'm going to go ahead and set up the tripod for you guys, and as usual, we'll go ahead and get the trailer set up. Right, so with the trailer packed up, I'm thinking of heading to the Soul River RV Park office because, fortunately, I've been here before and I know there is a gift shop in there. So I'm going to take a walk over there and see what I can find. So there is day 5 of the Joel Homie Show vlog series, Summer to Remember. Now, we are going to be spending 2 nights at Snake River RV Park, including tonight and tomorrow. We are actually going to be going out to some places, doing some things, maybe doing a bit of walking, and with any luck, fingers crossed, maybe we can find a hobby store or an antique store. I mention hobby stores because the 10, it basically got the equivalent to a flat tire by puncturing it. So with any luck, hopefully we can find some stuff tomorrow. But either way, if you guys enjoyed today's video as much as I enjoyed making it,